All right, I finally got my mini follow focus from Smallrig. I chose this one because of all the reviews. Bringing out of the box, you get your good old manual that has all of the information exactly how to put it on to your rig. And I bought, of course, a Smallrig for my Sony A7 IV mirrorless, and I'm planning to have a nice little turning knob here. Of course, I got this nice thing too, so yeah, we can do it all. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box is a bag, a little mini bag that can go everywhere. You'll hear a lot on all the YouTube videos that you should always bring a follow focus with you for the situation that you do need it, because it is important. Hey, look, it's all. I was concerned that it was going to come and not be all together, and I was going to have to like Lego this together, but it is. Ooh, want to know something, guys and girls? It is as nice and smooth as they say it is. Now that is a happy outcome, because you get concerned with what you're gonna have to do. And there's the rail that can get attached underneath this. I'll figure that out. And of course the post, which I had a little bit of a thing here that I was wondering if my DJI post could do it. So just so you know, the width is totally different. Then I have a follow focus for my DJI RS C2 gimbal, but wondering how this could actually work instead of me having to buy one of these. But the post is totally different, so just know that. What else is in the bag? We have the thing that goes around the lens. This goes around just like with regards to the one that comes with the gimbal, that the teeth go to the teeth of the lens. And you would basically just put it all the way around and boom, bada bing through that part there. And that's what you would do the same sort of thing. So I guess I'm gonna have to like label these items, and let's see, is there anything else in the bag? No, it's a nice little bag, and it's got a Allen key to make everything simple. So let's do this, and I'll put another video out shortly of what it looks like, and see if we've got some learning around it. Enjoy.